can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna be getting into my spring tees from Supreme. Last week I actually cooked up like crazy. I got like 7 tees, I think, something like that, and we're gonna actually be unboxing that real soon. If you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave it a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and click those post notification bells so you're notified every time I post a video. Now without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So for the purpose of the video, I just slit the 3 packages. That way I don't have to waste any time on that part of the video. But right here we do got our first bag, and I really hope I got some dope stickers. There's actually one sticker that I'm really looking forward to getting. Okay, it wasn't this one, but it's still a pretty cool sticker. This shit is big as hell. Who the F is Supreme? Right there we got the regular BOGO. Then we have another sticker which I probably will show you guys at the end, but at least we did get a sticker pack. I'm gonna put this to the side for now. Then in here we probably got one of the worst tees. Not the worst, because everybody has their own opinion, but to me it wasn't one of the best. Right here we got this keyboard tee. This one actually does say Supreme mind your fucking business on it, which is pretty cool in my opinion. I just don't feel like this is one of the more sought after tees. I'm definitely gonna be raffling this on Astro Bodega. This is actually a size medium. I did try to scoop up a couple different sizes just so you guys can have some type of variety, but this is the black colorway and it is gonna get raffled, so I don't really want to open it too much. I'm gonna only be opening the ones that I'm keeping for the personal, which honestly is like half of the shits. First we had this keyboard tee right here. Second up we got this Persistence of Time tee. Honestly, this one you can't even see the design of it, so I'm gonna probably have to open it. I'll just let you guys know. Hopefully y'all see this video so y'all can see that I literally opened it for the video just to show y'all, because you can't see shit. Right here we do got the Persistence of Time. This tee is actually not half bad. We got like this design right there with the little mosquito and the clock. It's a pretty clean tee, just definitely not my style. You also do have the clocks running on the back of the shirt as well, so I went ahead and passed on it, but this will be up for raffles on Astro Bodega. So that was our first package. Next up we got another big package right here, and I only ordered one order with 3 tees. I feel like this is the one right here because it's bulky as shit, so y'all already know how that shit goes. Yup, this is the one with 3 tees, and all 3 of these shits might end up being mine. Right here we got this sticker pack with the little Susie sticker. Then we got the Rider and a regular box logo. It's alright, it's whatever. First up we got this Who the Fuck is Supreme tee. I feel like this one I might end up keeping, so I'm gonna just open it real quick. I don't know, if I don't end up liking it, y'all will see it on Astro Bodega, but if I do, I'll probably just end up keeping it. I don't know. Right here we got this Who the F is Supreme. I'm not even gonna open it too much because that's literally all the branding there is to it. The silver is more so like in this metallic type box. It's pretty clean in my opinion. It's edgy as hell, but it does have that huge Supreme branding. Literally you can see from a mile away. Pretty clean piece right here, and it is in my size, so I don't know, I might be keeping this one. If y'all want it, go ahead and let me know down below, and I'll consider raffling this, because honestly I don't care about it too much, but I just feel like it's a pretty cool piece. Simple, I don't know, might keep it, might raffle it. Let me know what y'all want down below. Next up we got probably my favorite tee right here. This is the Molotov Kid, and this is the one that I wanted. Like out of all of the shits, this one and one of the other ones were the ones that I needed, and this one right here, never getting resold. This is definitely for the personal. This color, so clean, bruh. This is like a washed out sage color. This tee right here is so clean, bruh. This colorway is definitely my favorite by far. It's like this washed out minty type color. I don't know how to explain it really. On camera it looks more so like a gray, but it's really not a gray, bruh. I don't know how to explain it. It's probably best right here. Like this color is so clean, bruh. And then you got like this dude mans with the Molotov in his hand. He's standing on like these Supreme stones right there. Pretty clean in my opinion. Got the flames in the back. It's just an overall fire piece. Definitely one of my favorite from the drop, and this one will be for the personal. I'm sorry guys, I gotta keep this one for myself. Last up in this bag we got another brick of gold right here. This is the Cupid tee in the navy colorway, size XL. I wish I would have got the black one because that one is going for grip right now, but we got this navy one, and honestly I don't know if I want to open it simply because I just want to hold this one and see what happens with it. Just like the Mona Lisa one that I held in the black color, that one's almost at like 180 or something like that. This one might do the same thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and just preserve it. I'm gonna try to give y'all the best looks I possibly can in the bag, because I need to keep this one brand new type shit. We got this big branding. We got the Box logo tee on Cupid right there. Super clean piece, pretty big branding, so I feel like this one will do good in the future. I'm gonna just go ahead and keep this one on ice. If I ever do decide to open it, y'all will be the ones to see, obviously. But this piece right here goes dummy, bro. I like it more so in hand than in pictures. I just feel like the design actually looks way crispier in person. But this right here is a fire piece. I'm gonna probably just keep this one locked in for a little bit, because I feel like this will go up, just like the Cat in the Hat, just like the TV one. The ones that have like the little logos and shit on it, they end up doing good. So this one's staying in the collection. Last up, we got this package right here. I feel like in here we probably got 2 more tees. It's either 2 or 3 tees in this right here. Same as usual, we got that Supreme bag. Y'all already know how that shit goes. And here we got another sticker pack. Let's go. That's the sticker I was looking for. The Au Papua de Supreme. That one is the one I wanted, honestly. We got another Susie sticker, which kinda is ass, I'm not gonna lie. And then this regular red box logo. I feel like I did good on the stickers, honestly. It's alright. I didn't get too many stickers. I got some of them, so it's cool. But right here, we're gonna get into this next tee, which I will be raffling. This is the black Switchblade tee. We got that branding right here, which is pretty big, honestly. Got the little Susie Switchblade. You got her on the phone, her little doll right there holding the little shink shink. But this shit is alright. Pretty cool piece, just definitely not my style. Out of the 2 tees that had this type of cartoony design, I would definitely go with that Molotov one. But this one right here will be up for raffles on Astro Bodega, so stay tuned for that. And this last piece I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all is probably my favorite, but I couldn't get it in my size. And if y'all watch the live cop, y'all already know what tee it is. But for those who didn't, we did get the Ghost Rider tee right here. Super clean piece, bro. I'm gonna definitely have to pay resale for this one, but this one will be up for grabs. This is the Ghost Rider tee in navy, size large, so y'all can go ahead and get this off me for the raffle. This shit is so fire to me, bro. I wish I could have kept it for the personal, but hey, sometimes you just gotta grab what you get so you don't miss out, you feel me? We got the Supreme Old English branding right there. Super clean piece, and the tag actually says Marvel on the back, which is another super clean touch. That's probably why this piece was a little bit more expensive. I think it was like $44. Super clean. This will also be up for raffles, so go ahead and stay tuned for that. I feel like there's gonna be 4 things I'm gonna be raffling off. I'm gonna do 2 first, then 2 more. Let me know what y'all want. If y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like down below. I feel like I did pretty good on the week 6 tees. Let me know which ones y'all cooked up. Did they all come in the mail? Was there any bullshit? Just let me know how y'all did, you feel me? Leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. Which type of raffles would y'all want me to make? What kind of videos do y'all want to see from me? And that pretty much does it, bro. I think I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
I'm Yeezy. She said, hi, Maria. No, you an angel. You wave high to Aaliyah. I got a show in Korea. They built a new arena. In my mind, it sounds like
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.